when I first met you. Sincerely, no lie, I was thinking this is meant to be. She's so fly, and just the kind of lady that the doctor ordered. Gets the same look in her eyes, the one in her daughter. And I can't tell you how much you mean to me. I can only show you my love, but you be my queen, so you don't have to worry. You don't have to wonder. Just keep it real, let no man take us under. Is it real love that truly conquers all, or the romance is destined to have a great fall? Are we playing a game that we just can't win? Cause I'm praying, girl, that